Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word protein. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Eating foods high in protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Protein is a macronutrient essential for the growth and repair of body tissues, made up of amino acids that serve as building blocks for muscles and other structures. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.